Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the remote SSH extension for your Python in Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the remote SSH extension, then it is an extension that allows you to connect to a remote machine or virtual machine via the SSH. So it enables you to work with files and folders on the remote file system while leveraging VS Code's full feature set, including IntelliSense, debugging, and more. So let's begin by installing this particular extension. So in order to install this extension, you need to head on to the extensions tab in your VS Code, or you may also press the Ctrl Shift and X key combinations. Then once you are inside the extensions, you need to type in the name of this particular extension, which is remote SSH. And here you can see the first extension, which says remote SSH by Microsoft, with around 26 million downloads. And you need to click on the install button right here. Once you click on the install button, here you can see that the extension has been successfully installed, and now you are ready to create a virtual machine and work on it. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.